familiar, but every time I meet somebody new, it's like deja vu. And when we spoke for months, what did you ever mean it?